Welcome back, guys. हम करेंगे reflection and refraction of light. Question 10, paper 2, 5054. Let's start. Question 10. Explain what is meant by critical angle. अच्छा, what is meant by critical angle? Critical angle means अगर मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल डायग्राम बना के दिखाऊं that would explain much better. तो let's make a diagram. तो ये तीन डायग्राम्स बना लेते हैं हम लोग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइट यहां से गई है. दिस इज द मीडियम, दिस इज ग्लास एंड दिस इज एयर. ठीक है ना. अच्छा, लाइट गई है and it is bended away from the normal. ठीक है ना. It is at an angle 20. ठीक है ना. 20 इसका एंगल है फॉर एग्जाम्पल. फिर हमने उसका एंगल बढ़ा किया है. हमने उसका एंगल 30 कर दिया. ठीक है ना. हमने उसका एंगल कर दिया 30. हमने उसका एंगल 30 कर दिया. तो द लाइट गोज हियर. लेकिन वी गो वन स्टेप फर्दर एंड वी मेक द एंगल a bit more. We make it 35. So eventually जो है the ray, it will go along the path of the surface at a certain angle, and when the refracted ray is at a 90 degree and the angle of incidence is equal to the critical angle, that is when critical angle is like when the refracted ray is 90 degree, that is when a critical angle is formed. पहले हमने एक छोटा एंगल रखे 20, it is refracted. फिर हमने रखा है 30, it is refracted and it is more towards the surface. और फिर हमने रखा है 35. So 35 where it is totally onto the surface of the glass. So very conceptually मैंने आपको समझाया है कि कैसे होता है ये. ठीक है ना. I hope you understood that. Smallest angle for the light to be totally internally reflected. ठीक है ना. Largest angle of incidence for ray to be refracted emerged. Largest angle for the ray to be refracted, just like I told you, and the smallest angle for the ray to be totally internally reflected. When light emerges along the surface, when angle of refraction is 90 degrees, diamonds are attractive because of their ability to reflect like the light, or the critical angle for the diamond in air is 24. आपने कभी अगर डायमंड देखा हो तो आप देखते होंगे कि it is very sparkly, it is very shiny. It's because of the ability of the diamond to reflect. That is why कुछ कट्स होते हैं डायमंड्स के which are more expensive and कुछ कट्स होते हैं that are less expensive, right? ओरिजिनली डायमंड पे भी वो करता है, डिपेंड करता है कि हाउ मच बिग द डायमंड इज, what the purity of diamonds are, but eventually it all boils down to how good the diamond is cut. You can even make a bad diamond look good if it is cut correctly. आगे चलते हैं. अट्रैक्टिव, which is a critical angle हमें दिया गया है, which is 24. Calculate the refractive index of diamond. Critical angle दिया गया है, and if we all, मैंने आपको पिछली वीडियो में भी कहा था, remember this formula which is n, which is refractive index, is equals to 1 divided by sine c. C will be critical angle. n क्या है हमारे पास? We don't know. We have to find that out. 1 as it is, sine c will be 24. तो अगर हम इसको calculate करें, how much will we get? We'll get 2.5 approximately if we use this formula. 2.5 or 2.46 or 2.545859. तो आगे चलते हैं. Figure 6.1 shows two diamonds on separate uh, of different shapes. A ray of light enters each diamond as shown. ray of light enter हो रही है इधर से इस diamond में और इधर से इस diamond में. On figure 6.1, continue the path of each ray of light until it emerges into the air. अब इधर refract हो रही है and it has to emerge into the air eventually. So first of all, what we're gonna do is make a normal. Normal is always 60 degrees to the surface. So this is gonna be the normal. आगे देख लेते हैं. नॉर्मल ये हो गया, तो दिस विल बी द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. ठीक है ना. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस ये हो गया. and that this will be 90 minus 70, which will give us the angle of incidence, which is 20 degrees. 20 degrees will be the angle of incidence. ठीक है ना? But what they have told us is, okay, the critical angle for the diamond in air is 24 degrees. And for the diamond to totally internally reflect the ray of light, it will need to have a angle larger than 24. So that means this ray of light is refracting. ठीक है ना? It is refracting, and refraction occurs जब the ray of light, अब refraction हो रही है ना, so that it will move away from the normal. ठीक है ना? Very simple. In this case अगर हम ये बनाए, ठीक है ना, हम ये बना रहे हैं, एक सेकेंड, इसको थोड़ा सा इधर कर देते हैं. अच्छा, ये वाला एंगल है 45 and the total angle is 90. So 90 minus 45 will give us 45 again, right? It will give us 45 again. तो ये 45 हो गया. अच्छा, the minimum angle for total internal reflection is 24. So is 45 larger than 24? Yes, then it will totally internally reflect and the light will go here. अगर हम यहां से देखें, अगर yeah, this is again gonna be 45. ठीक है ना? This will again be 45. This will be 45. So this light will go up and exit the diamond. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz. And sorry, one thing. If this is 45, then this must be 45 as well, which is the angle of incidence. You can afford the second time it is reflecting. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.